round two. Waiting for these guys to go first. There's the point of entry right over there. I'm gonna let these guys go first. Hopefully they'll take a right. Fucked up. This is the second installment of man-eating double bird. Alright, let's go. Runners are going. Yeah, we can't see him now. Well, the plan of attack for the second installment, we gotta amp it up a little bit. Is I'm going in with my work shirt over my face. I'm just gonna act as a decoy. While Jason comes to me getting attacked by this fucking bird. Am I going? No, you're just videotaping. I'm the decoy. Yes. Watch it happen. Watch it happen. She's taking caution. Come on, do it. She's not doing it. Oh shit, there is.
Yeah, turtle. I think he's about to eat the turtle. Alligators love turtles, right?
Hold on. It's right there. Anyway. Alright, ready? You know. Alright, you wanna hold it?
I wouldn't hold it. You just give that thing right to me.
Okay. Here you go.
Alright.
Yeah, get ready.
Am I following you or
yeah,
else
you
it's
gotta follow me, but not too close.
Alright.
Okay.
What the hell's in there? What are you... Oh, little... He's gonna... Okay, alligator, little birdie.
No, it's...
Alligator, bird... Okay,
that's
okay.
Different installment.
We're focusing on the wrong part of the story here.
Okay.
Different installment.
No. I'm so scared.
He's so scared right now. Okay. Come on, bird. Come on, bird. Here we go. Oh, dude, he's looking at me. He's looking at me. He's right above you. Literally right above you right now. He's yelling at you. Maybe if you dance a little bit, he'll, Yes, yes. Believe us now, believe us now. Oh, God. There he goes, he's going after you again. Okay. Alright, this bird might have had enough.
Alright.
Okay, do we kill it now?
Okay, I'm going in unprotected. The way I like it, baby. Raw dog. All right, here we go. We got pass. He's up there. Oh, he just pooped. Come on, dude. Let's go. I don't have my armor on. God, come on.
Well, you know what? I gotta antagonize this thing.
Hope you enjoyed part 2. YouTube.